Welcome fellow Thermi fans. Do you own a Thermomix TM6 or are you simply thinking of buying one? Either way, this is the channel for all things TM6 plus regular cooking too. Now I absolutely love eggs, especially poached. Now this is where the Thermi really earns its stripes. Poaching with the Thermi is so easy and you get perfect results every time. And of course that includes super silky yolks. Now you have to wait a little longer than usual, but trust me, the results are more than worth it. Now, as I always say, what are we waiting for? Let's cook. Right, you will not believe how easy this is. So firstly, fill your bowl up with warm water to the max level, and then we're going to go into the sous vide mode. This is a good way of getting into sous vide if you've not used this mode before. And we're going to preheat this to 75 degrees Celsius or 167 F. And just click that to start and let's let this preheat. Next, while your the Thermi is preheating, get your simmering basket. Simply, no need to crack the eggs. Just plonk them in, close the lid. Simple as that. Right, we are preheated to 75 degrees Celsius as you can see, so let's just stop the unit. Just remove that lid. Carefully pop your simmering basket in the top, lid on. Now we're going to set the timer for 14 minutes and cook. And it really is as easy as that. See you in 14 minutes. Okay, the wait is finally over. Now carefully remove your simmering basket, draining the water. Here I have some hot buttered toast ready to accept my poached eggs. Now just wait until the eggs are just cool enough to handle. Give them a bit of a tap and open them out. Just look at that, absolutely perfect. Same with the other, little tap and easy tell. Just look at that. Now all that's left to do is season generously with some salt. And of course, not forgetting a generous helping of cracked black pepper. Now let's crack into these poached eggs and witness that silky, yolky goodness. Just look at that. They are absolutely the easiest poached eggs you will ever cook. And there you have it. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, do consider showing your support by clicking that subscribe button.